Pakistan and Afghanistan reached certain agreements during trade talks in Kabul, including beginning negotiations on a revised transit trade agreement and implementing a temporary admission document, TAD, for trade vehicle drivers, officials said on Friday. Talks were held amid tensions following Pakistan's March 18 airstrikes in Afghanistan's Paktika and coast provinces in intelligence-based anti-terrorist operations, which Afghan authorities said killed 8 people. The Foreign Office had confirmed the strikes, saying they were aimed at the Hafiz Zia Ahmad group, which was responsible for multiple terrorist attacks inside Pakistan, including one on security forces in North Waziristan that murdered 7 soldiers. On Thursday, Foreign Office (FO) spokesperson Mumtaz Zahra said in a weekly press briefing that Commerce Secretary Mohammad Karoom Agha visited Afghanistan from March 24 to 27 to discuss bilateral trade and transit with his Afghan counterpart Nuruddin Aziza. The two sides discussed a bilateral preferential trade agreement, implementing a TAD for trade vehicle drivers, multimodal air transit and issues related to transit trade. We are encouraged by the progress made on these issues and remain committed to promoting trade and people-to-people ties with Afghanistan, the FO had said. Pakistan embassy officials in Kabul said today that progress was achieved on multiple issues, including a bilateral preferential trade agreement, air transit, the operation of border crossings 24/7 for trade purposes, addressing the issues in transit trade through Afghanistan and Afghan transit trade that passes through Pakistan. Afghan Chargé d'Affaires Sardar Shakib Ahmad rushed to Kabul to brief officials about his meetings in Islamabad. He met acting Afghan Foreign Minister Amir Muttaqi and briefed him regarding recent developments in the relations between Afghanistan and Pakistan, Deputy Foreign Ministry spokesman Hafiz Zia Ahmad Takkal said. Pakistan's head of mission in Kabul Ubaidur Rehman Nizamani said the visit of the Commerce Ministry delegation was part of Pakistan's efforts to build strong ties with Afghanistan in transit, trade and all other mutually beneficial areas. I am happy to report that this was a successful visit and both sides have agreed to work together for mutual benefit in a number of areas, Nizamani said in a video statement. He said Pakistan and Afghanistan will facilitate transit and bilateral trade and take all possible measures to create an environment conducive to continuous and productive trade and economic relations between the two countries.